Hi, you're welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing me, my name is Chizy. On this channel we talk all around creativity, holding your hands in your DIY journey. With no further delay, let's go straight to the business of today. Okay, today I want us to talk about how to make a transparent liquid soap. Most videos you see online are videos on how to make multi-purpose liquid soap. It is quite different from a transparent liquid soap. And in case you want to check out our video on how to make multi-purpose liquid soap, the link to that video is right in the description. You can check it out after this video. Follow me, let me show you step by step how to make a transparent liquid soap. SLS, color, perfume, Texapon, salt, cocoa bean. If you like the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. Okay, so we're making 8 liters of transparent liquid soap. So the first step here is to get a clean bucket, pour 7 liters of water, mix your SLS. The SLS we're using, the measurement is 1/8 kg. Mix it very well, then set it aside, let it dissolve very well, and the water becomes clear like mine, as you can see. Then in another bucket, pour in your Texapon. We are using ½ kg Texapon. Pour in your Texapon in another bucket. We're going to use it right now to dissolve our salt. We are using 350 grams of salt, and as you can see, I'm using Dangote products. It came out fine, and I advise you use it or use any one of your choice, but I used Dangote for this production. Mix it very well together with the Texapon. Mix your salt with the Texapon. The quantity of the salt is 350 grams. The quantity of the Texapon is ½ kg. Mix them so well. Stir very well. Stir very well so that everything mixes together and your soap will come out fine without lumps. That's the reason why you have to stir. When you're producing your soap, stirring is very, very important. When you're making your production, it's very important that you stir. The more you stir, the more clear, the more good consistency you will get in your soap production. So after mixing them together, then you pour in your dissolved SLS. You can see that my own is very clear and dissolved. Pour in your dissolved SLS. Please pour it gradually. Pour it gradually. As you're pouring, you're stirring. As you're pouring, you're stirring. As you're pouring, you're stirring. Gradually until all the SLS finishes. And make sure you're stirring, please. Don't leave your production and start doing any other thing. Your hands must be busy. You're pouring, you're stirring. You're pouring, you're stirring. It has to be a gradual process. For the stirring aspect, you need to be very strong. Stir very well. And then after that, you cover your soap and allow the foam to go down. If you follow my step, you will achieve this kind of result. You allow the soap to go down. You can see the foam has cleared. No more foam. Everything is clear. Everything is clear. And yours must be like this. Okay, so it's time to add the cocoa bean. This makes it to foam and also thickens it. can see the consistency. So after that, the next thing to add is your color and your perfume. First of all, add your perfume. Use the perfume of your choice. Add your color. Use colors of your choice. You can divide your production into 2 or 3 places, or as you wish. Add your different colors. You can see the consistency, very nice and sweet. I hope yours comes out fine like this. If you have your question, please drop them in the comment section. We'll be glad to attend to that. You can see transparent liquid soap, so transparent. And if you want yours to be thicker than this, put more cocoa butter, or you reduce the quantity of water. I used 7 liters. You can reduce the quantity with the measurement of the chemicals. You can reduce the quantity to achieve more thicker liquid soap. Look at the consistency of mine. I like it like this. I don't want any more thing thicker than this or lesser. So as you wish, according to your choice. Then you can go ahead and package your soap. I wish you happy selling. Thanks for watching.